If your Whirlpool electric range cooktop is not heating evenly, has an unresponsive burner, or is cycling off too soon, the cooktop element could be the culprit. I'm William with AppliancePartsPros.com, and today I'll show you how to test and replace it. Don't worry if this is your first time working on appliances. It's easier than you might think. Let's get started. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. For today's work, we'll need a multimeter and a Phillips screwdriver. Also, please remember that safety comes first. Don't forget to unplug your electric range or turn the breaker off. With the power disconnected, we're all set to move on to our first step in troubleshooting your cooktop burner. Grab a Phillips screwdriver and remove the 2 screws securing the terminal block cover. Slide the cover down and off, then set it aside. Next, remove the Phillips screws from the back cover. You can leave one screw loosely in place in the slotted cutout to help hold the panel while removing the others. Once the remaining screws are out, lift the panel off and set it aside. Plug the power cord back in. Extreme care should always be taken when working around live voltage, since it can result in serious injury. If you're not comfortable testing live power with a multimeter, do not continue. We're testing the small single element switch, but the same terminal locations would be used for the large elements as well. Set your multimeter to volts AC, indicated by a V with a squiggly line. Place one probe on the black wire at terminal L1 and the other probe on the red wire at terminal L2. You should see about 240 volts AC. Now rotate the element switch to the high setting. Place one probe on the yellow wire at terminal H2 and the other probe on the yellow wire at terminal H1. You should see 240 volts AC. Keep the probes in place to get a voltage reading when the element shuts off. If the voltage stops when the element turns off too soon, the infinite switch has failed. One of the best tools that you can have in your toolbox is a multimeter, and we'd love to show you how this device works and how you can benefit from using it. Check out the video in the description. If voltage was present at the infinite switch test points, the cooktop element has failed. Unplug the power cord. Using a Phillips screwdriver, remove the 2 screws at the front bottom of the glass cooktop. Lift the front of the glass top, pull it forward, and set it aside. Next, remove the element from the base. Note the label for each wire position before disconnecting anything. Here's the old single coil element and here's the new one. If you've already got one, great. If not, you can pick one up at AppliancePartsPros.com. Switch the mounting tabs from the old element to the new one, making sure they are positioned in the same location points. Connect the wires to the new element according to the terminal labels you noted earlier. Once all of the wires are connected, set the element back onto the base and push it down firmly into place. Reattach the glass top with the Phillips screws you removed earlier. Then secure the back panel and finally the terminal block cover. Plug the power cord back in. Great job tackling that cooktop burner issue on your Whirlpool range. We hope our guide helped you get things heating evenly again. Please share your repair experience with us in the comments. We're eager to hear how it went for you. If you need to order a new element or any other parts, just remember to visit AppliancePartsPros.com with your model number. Most orders arrive in just a few days, so you'll have your kitchen back up and running in no time. Thanks for trusting us with your repair project, and we look forward to assisting you on your next one.